Welcome to the exciting world of artificial intelligence in construction. We present to you a revolutionary program that seamlessly converts DXF files from AutoCAD into structural elements compatible with RAM concept structural analysis software, all in just minutes. This program aims to simplify workflows for engineers and architects, enhancing collaboration among project teams. Get ready to experience the ease and speed of transforming your intricate designs into actionable structural elements, allowing you to focus on innovation and strategy in your projects.
Let's dive into how to use this fantastic program to convert DXF files to RAM files with a CPT extension quickly and easily. First, you import your DXF file with just a few clicks. The program intelligently reads the graphical elements with high accuracy, ensuring that the models created in RAM concept reflect the intended design without human error. What sets this program apart is its user-friendly interface. Engineers and architects, regardless of their technical expertise, can navigate smoothly. After importing, you can review the converted elements and make any necessary adjustments before analysis. Most importantly, the time saved through this program can significantly impact project timelines. By reducing hours spent on manual drafting and data entry, teams can focus on critical tasks like planning and quality assurance. In conclusion, this program is more than just a tool. It's a partner in your project's success, enabling you to achieve unprecedented efficiency in your designs. Try it today and experience the difference.